back to my new video. In this video, I made a lot of earrings. I made those earrings to match my Lolita dresses and match my handful and some of my sweet outfits. This is my favorite one in this video, is strawberry. And I remember you guys asked it, you want to see me wearing the headdress. It's really good. And it's just the right size and it matches the dress perfectly. I really like it. Okay, let's start this video. I love those earrings, so cute. You will need some of those material to make earrings. Card, capsule sakura, strawberry, and some of those. So those ones are for making the earrings to match my handful. And some of those hooks, cherry blossom, and some Chinese characters. Some of those. Very pretty. So let's start. I will make strawberry first because I like them the most. This one made of plastic. Very cute strawberry. I need some hooks, the rings. I can hook them together, or I can make like have the strawberry hang down. I think the easiest thing is to make earrings. See how easy is that? Which one do you prefer, the longer one or the short ones? I'm not sure. Maybe the short ones. I changed this to the short ones. I think short ones is cuter. Make another pair. Oh, so cute. Card capture sakura. Just connect those on a hook. Less than 1 minute to make a pair of earrings. See? I prefer the gold than the silver. Third pair is finished. Fourth pair means maiden. I would prefer the words hanging down, so I will have the string. I think earrings are very easy to make. It just takes a little bit time to put them together, and a lot of them are really small, so you will need to be patient. Like that, and then I will finish this one. Okay, the fourth pair is finished. Then I will just make the sakura one. It's very pretty. So you can also hang those decorations on your bows. If you make like a strawberry bowl, you could hang the strawberry in the center of your bowl. All of those can be a part of your dress. So the next one is a little bit more complicated, but it's still very easy to make. I already made one, and then I will make the next one. I will hook each of petal on this ring. I'll hook the petals on this one. Okay, I will hook the beads on this string. Hook the string on the earring. Those will go perfectly with my blue handful. And next I will make steampunk earrings. So this one is easy. I'll just hook everything together. Ta-da! Like a hand, another one on. Those ones will match this glass. I made these glasses. Ta-da! Ooh! And then I will make some earrings to match my handful. It's still very easy, just hook everything together. Those three pairs is to match my handful, and those three could match Lolita dresses, match any outfit. Which earring is your favorite? I like all of them. My favorite is the strawberry ones. I'm really in the mood making accessories. I'm also really in the mood to transform some of my dresses. So you do have more DIY videos in the future, but not in every videos, but I will try to make one DIY video like every week or every half month, like that. Bye bye, I will see you in next video soon. Love it.